Greetings. In this tutorial, we will be covering Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program included in G Suite. Google Sheets allows users to edit, organize, and analyze different types of information in real time. This tutorial is divided in two parts. The first covers the creation of spreadsheets wherein basic tools are covered. In the second part, we cover the more practical applications of Google Sheets. Hope you all find this tutorial helpful. With that, let's begin our first Google Sheets tutorial. Thank you. Let's get started with Google Sheets. Our first step is to learn how to open Google Sheets. For this, we open our search engine, click on the icon next to Images on the top right hand corner, and select Sheets from the drop-down list. As you can see, a list of various designs or templates will now be displayed. Let's select the blank template and go through some of the useful features offered by Google Sheets. By default, the name of the spreadsheet is Untitled Spreadsheet. Clicking on this allows us to rename the spreadsheet. Next, we learn how to enter data. Entering data is fairly simple. All you have to do is click on the cell you wish to enter data into and start typing. Then, once you're done, you press enter or use your mouse to select another cell. Now, to use as an example, I am just going to copy paste a little data. Next we learn is how to select an entire row or column and highlight it. For this, we select the header rows, that is A, B or C in case of columns, or 1, 2 or 3 in case of rows. Our next step is how to insert cells, rows or columns. To insert a row or column, we simply click on the adjacent cell and select Insert Row or Insert Column. As you can see, by default, Google Sheets inserts the row above the selected cell and inserts a column on the left of the selected cell. For inserting a cell, we select on an adjacent cell. On right clicking, we choose Insert Cells and as desired, choose whether the remaining cells need to be shifted right or they need to be shifted down. Alternatively, you can also select the entire row. Click on the icon that appears and select whether you want to insert a column on the left or on the right. Similarly, for deleting rows, columns or cells, we follow the same pattern. Here we can select the delete column. Similarly, on right clicking on the row, we can select delete row, and by right clicking on the cell, we can choose delete cell. To create a new sheet within the same file, we select the Insert button and select New Sheet. As you can see, a new sheet has now been added. Alternatively, you can also click on the plus button on the bottom left hand corner to add a sheet. To rename the spreadsheet, we simply right click on the arrow icon on the New Sheet tab and select Rename. Next we learn how to format selected cells. For this, we select a group of cells using a mouse. Then we right click and select the conditional formatting option from the drop down menu. Now you can select a common font style, color type for a group of cells from the Formatting Style tab. You can also format cells based on the specific conditions using Format Cells If. Our next step is to learn how to merge cells in Google Sheets. For this, select two or more cells you wish to merge. We click on the Format button in the menu bar and select Merge Cells. Depending upon the cells you have selected, you have different options for merging them. Here we have Merge All, Merge Horizontally and Merge Vertically. I will select Merge Horizontally. Please note, instead of the previously mentioned steps, you can also merge cells by using the Merge button located on the toolbar. Our next topic is how to insert links in Google Sheets. Let's take a look at how to add hyperlinks using the Insert menu. For this, we first select the cell we wish to insert the hyperlink into. Then, we go to the Insert tab on the menu bar and select Link from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box which appears, we enter the text we want to appear as the hyperlink and the URL of the desired link. And we simply press apply. Now, let's look at performing calculations on a group of cells. First, we enter a set of values in separate cells. Once we are done, we select them with our mouse. Then, we select Insert and click on Function from the drop-down list. Now, you have several functions you can perform on the given cells. For all the math functions, a set of instructions will appear in the box once you click on them. The concept is a little advanced, so it's recommended that you overlook this and only focus on basic functions. For now, an alternative way to access the basic functions is to click on the drop-down list at the bottom. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose the operation you wish to carry out on the group of cells. Remember, you must select the cells beforehand. A next important feature is inserting graphs. To enter a graph, you need data. So we begin by entering data into cells. For the ease of creating data, I'm just going to copy paste this text in the adjacent column. Remember tables from the previous Google Docs tutorial? The concept is the same. We select the data using our mouse, click Insert and select Chart. Next, we have a number of options. We have chart type, where we select the kind of chart we require. Pie charts are best when all of the data adds up to 100%, and histograms are best for data compared over time. You have a few suggested graphs and a number of other options available as well. Then you can click on chart types for options, including switching what appears in the rows and columns or other kinds of graphs. You can also click on customization for additional formatting options. Once you're done, simply click on Insert and the graph is now displayed.